What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Chrissy, and for today's video I'm going to show you guys my day today. As you guys can see from the beginning of this video, I showed you guys exactly what I was doing. I was putting on my makeup, I did some video for my TikTok video as well, and yeah, right now I'm just gonna go ahead and straighten my hair since I wasn't able to do that earlier. If you guys want to see this vlog, make sure you guys subscribe, like, comment, follow me on my Instagram at Mscrisssy, and I will see you guys there. Whoa, I think this is the first time you guys see me without makeup. It's pretty weird, but I'm trying to get used to it. But in real life, I love my face with or without makeup, and that's what makes me happy. And as long as you're happy, do it for yourself. I'm not perfect. I have scars, I have acne, and I'm still trying to find the right skincare routine for me. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy my bare face. Well, here's the behind the scene of me shooting my TikTok videos. I know I look pretty crazy right now, but trust me, as long as you feel right about the video, everything's gonna be okay. I have to keep redoing it over and over and over again until I know it feels right for me. And yeah, here's the real tea. Babe, do you want to see my video? Tell me what you think about it, okay?
Okay. I really like it. It's dope how you put it together. Do you want it to be perfect though?
Well,
Because right now it's not perfect.
you were mad at me, so I didn't want to ask for help. Well, in the meantime, my boyfriend is showing me the new design for the site that we're working on right now. For those people that are asking about my hair routine, I will definitely do a video on that soon. Right now I am testing this product, so I can't tell you guys all about it yet, but yeah, I'm testing it out, and so far my hair looks so pretty. I freaking love my hair. And yes, this is my real hair. I'm like pulling my hair for you guys. And then the straightener that I'm using, I just got this from Target. Ooh, you see how close that was? I almost burned my face. But this is the Infinity Pro by Conair. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right, but I'm not gonna straighten the top just because I don't want it to be too flat, just the bottom part. I'm telling you, I have a long ass hair. just like not too much. This week has been so hard for me lately, guys. Like, I have been so stressed lately. Like, I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I try my best to like smile and be happy, but like it's really getting to me lately. I don't know if it has something to do with, you know, me moving here or just being apart from family, and I don't know, but like maybe my nails too. I feel like I've been so clumsy lately. By the way, shout out to my girl Pressed by Lauren. I found her on Etsy, and I was just looking for something brown for fall, and yeah, it just so happened that I found her page, and then I ordered some stuff, and then you know the deal, I have to make sure I support her, so I posted it on my Instagram story, and I freaking love it. I messed up though because I was in the middle of cleaning yesterday and like getting ready, and this nail came off, and while I was trying to put everything back, this, look at this, see the glue right there? Ugh, I hate it. Like, I don't know if I'm just being so clumsy lately, or I'm not thinking right. I don't know. That's how you know I'm hella stressed right now.
Hey babe.
Yeah?
Don't worry about the stain, okay? That can come off. That's temporary, but your emotional state, that's something that's hard to fix. So don't let that ruin you and beat you up, because that's an easy Photoshop. And that can easily be cleaned out, I hope. We'll see.
Thanks, babe. I appreciate it.
I'm not mad about it.
Thank you.
Been a different story if this was like $1,000 shirt. See how much you got.
Love you. Thank you. Okay, so before I leave the house, this is my first outfit that I'm going to be shooting. This jogger pants is from Pretty Little Thing, and yeah, this is what my outfit looks like. So I'm supposed to have my matching set with this. It's a hoodie, and yeah, I am feeling this vibe. It matches my nails, matches my bag as well. This is my camera bag. I'm not gonna shoot it with this, but yeah, love this outfit. I decided to braid my hair too as well. And yeah, this is baby Groot. Say hi to my baby Groot.
You act up, I will follow you. Let's go now.
If you live in an apartment building like this and you're on the 3rd floor, invest into this, okay? Got this from Target. It is the most amazing investment I've ever had in my whole entire life, because it helps me a lot with my shooting, whenever I buy groceries. I think it's time to cut my hair.
You see mosquito in here. Where did you put water bottles here?
Oh.
You have all these Raiders pictures on your computer, right?
Yeah.
Which one do you want to shoot next?
I guess that one, since we already have it right there.
So we know where to go with this one then.
Alright guys, so we found the location. It's this apartment building that has nice banana leaves and nice cool shadows. That's gonna like fit so good in this outfit. So yeah, I'm not gonna take my camera out just because I don't want to leave it out in the sun. Is, you know, my camera's been like in the sun. But yeah guys, I'm just gonna shoot this real quick. I'm gonna show you guys what the outfit looks like after. Alright guys, here's my fourth outfit. I'm wearing this Betty Boop shirt and I'm gonna wear my shoes. This is the shoes I'm gonna be wearing. I decided to change the shoelace because it just makes sense. Look, she's wearing green and red. And we're about to go look for a location right now, so I'll keep you guys updated once we get there. Okay guys, we are shooting the last outfit now, and then after this we're gonna go get something to eat and go to Best Buy and then get some water from Walmart. Yeah, so yeah, here's what my outfit looks like. I'm wearing this Cypress Hill shirt from Threaded Grills. This is actually my boyfriend's pants. We thrifted it a while back ago. And then the shoes though, can we just talk about this shoes? Look at that custom Dior. Shout out to my homies, to my friends. Check them out. It's Matt B Customs. Thank you so much for making this happen. I look like, you don't understand. This, yeah. Which part though?
I don't know, maybe up there or right here, or I mean, the sun is kind of going down.
I see what you mean. Alright guys, we are gonna shoot right here. This is the last outfit. Don't forget to sanitize, sanitize, sanitize. Want some? What you got us, babe?
Alright, we got that food. The good.
Ooh.
Animal fries, buddy boy.
But it's vegan.
I know what chicken's tape. I need to go to San Diego and get the real deal. I got that chicken sandwich.
How come I only got 3 this time? Yesterday I got 4.
Right?
I'm so sad.
Alright, here's to a first time impression right here. See if I can get this
Can I
to
try and get it? Because I have lipstick on. Give it a drop. Careful, this part right here. Is it fire? Is it worth it? Curly fries though, like Jack in the Box. Jack in the Box and In-N-Out together.
Snap. I just realized we had to go. Best Buy closes at 6. Not too far away from it though. So your chicken's gonna be cold? Now we are heading to Best Buy. About to return this because it's too tiny. I definitely need a bigger Joby. It's for my camera that I'm using right now. It's for my vlog camera, and yeah. And once again, we're supposed to be here for the water, but look at our park. What happened, babe? And once again, we are back. I got my brand new Joby. I'm using it right now. It's like black and red. This is the plate for the camera.
we're heading to Walmart or Ralph's or wherever where we can get water, because right now we are running out of water at home.
Why'd you say water? Like water?
I was about to burp, that's why. Why is this like, this is not cool, this mask. That should look like something else. Hi guys, we just got home. I am wrapping up this vlog. We ended up going to Ralph's to get some water. But yeah, time to take this makeup off. If you guys enjoy this vlog, make sure you guys like, subscribe, follow me on Instagram, and I will see you guys later. Bye.